Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the Silent Flautist channel. You are watching the Silent Flautist tutorial series, and I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. Today's episode is going to be about one of the most incredible poets that India has ever seen, and this is on the occasion of Rama Navami. So you would have guessed right. This is none other than Goswami Tulasidas. Goswami Tulsidas was an incredible poet, a master of the languages of Audhi, Hindi, as well as Sanskrit. In today's episode, I will be performing one of his beautifully written bhajans, which is Shree Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman. While the words are beautiful, scintillating, and they arouse a feeling of devotion and bhakti in the ears of the listeners, the words have been written in a mixture of Sanskrit as well as Audhi. So before we get into the song, I would like to narrate a short incident in the life of Tulsidas ji. Tulsidas was not a very wealthy person. His only source of wealth was his knowledge, his immense knowledge of Sanskrit, the Veda, and his love for Rama, which he spread through his own poetry. He realized that the masses wouldn't be very comfortable with Sanskrit. So he translated the entire Valmiki Ramayana into his own version, which is very famously known as the Ramcharitmanas. The Ramcharitmanas in Avdhi is one of the most beautiful, picturesque, and very detailed description of the life of Rama. It is as beautiful as the Valmiki Ramayana, and it is almost always given the same level of importance. Tulsidas used to give his discourses on the life of Rama and preach the gospel of Rama in temples in the Hindi and the Audhi language, a language which was understood by the masses. People used to flock to hear him speak because his voice, his words, his singing gave them solace. Out of all the devotees who used to come, there was this one old man who used to come much before everyone. He used to start from the very first discourse and he used to sit till the very last discourse every day. One day, Tulsidas decided to follow him. And then that is when he realized that old man who used to come every day, much before everyone and left after everyone, was none other than Lord Hanuman. Tulsidas prostrated before his feet and said, O Lord, you have come to hear me speak about Rama. Now you are the one who has to lead me to him. Please take me to Lord Rama. Hanuman then replies, Sure, all you have to do is go to the ghats of Chitrakoot. Tulsidas' excitement saw no bounds. He packs his bags, immediately rushes to the ghats of Chitrakoot, where he sits and he applies chandan, sandalwood, as a form of tilak to everyone's forehead. Rama and Lakshmana do arrive. They arrive as princes in the province. They see Tulsidas and go to him to get their foreheads applied with tilak. Tulsidas, who was extremely busy and who had a flock of people who had come to get themselves the tilak applied, he was continuously making the sandalwood paste. As he applied and with his eyes closed, he told Rama himself, "Say victory to Rama. Bolo Shree Ramachandra ki jai." Rama, who was Ramachandra himself, was a little confused. Why will he say victory to himself? Lakshmana, on the other hand, was very happy to say it. Ramachandra ki jai. And Tulsidas insisted, why is the dark one not saying it? You should say it. Say, Bolo Ramachandra ki jai. And in the end, the Lord Rama goes on with the devotee to say, Ramachandra ki jai. And as soon as the tilak is applied, both the youth vanish. Then there is a parrot that is sitting right behind Tulsidas, and the parrot says, चित्रकूट के घाट पर भई संतन की भीड़, तुलसीदास चंदन घिसै, tilak करे रघुबीर. Which means in the ghats of Chitrakoot sat Tulsidas making the paste of sandalwood and applying it to the huge amount of devotees who came to him. And he does so to Rama too, without knowing that it was Rama. That is when Tulsidas realizes that, oh my god, that was none other than Lord Rama. And he rushes to find them, but they had already disappeared. And when he comes back, he asks the devotees, where is the parrot that he just spoke? The devotee says, the parrot flew away as soon as you went searching for someone. That is when he understood the parrot was none other than Lord Hanuman. And with this, we come to this beautiful bhajan which he has written, which speaks about how the mind should worship Lord Rama, who is the all compassionate one who will help you and give you hope to go to the other side of the Bhavasagar. So let's see this song. So I hope you had fun listening to this beautiful bhajan. I many a times tend and to go to this bhajan for my own solace. The words are beautiful, the meaning is even more enriching. At the same time, it gives you some inner peace and some time to contemplate on your own life. With this, we have come to the end of this episode. I know what you're wondering. You're wondering when I will teach this song. The link for the notations is in the description. Why don't you try playing this song yourself? Figure out some sounds, figure out some notes yourself. Everything that you need is in the link in the description. Thank you so much, guys. I had fun talking to you about this. So, before I end this video, making these videos requires time, money, and effort. If you're enjoying what you're seeing and enjoying the process of learning and my content, I request you to support me through memberships. Members get exclusive benefits, and the membership is on Patreon. Link is in the description below. Or else you can consider making a one-time contribution through any of these methods mentioned here. I also accept donations through PayPal, so you can see the link to my PayPal account in the description. If not, please, please, please like the video, leave a comment down here, share it with someone who's learning the flute, and definitely subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon right here. Every time you get a notification and learn something new, it'll give me immense joy. Thank you so much to watch the end of the video. See you again next week with another episode. The Silent Flautist signing off for now. Bye bye.